Welcome to Monty's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken pulao. Chicken pulao requested by one of my subscriber from India, Pune, Vikramjit Singh. Soak with the hot water. Let's start cooking. First, I will add 3 tablespoons ghee by adding onion, 1 large size onion. Let's make brown. In brown, I add some whole spices: cinnamon, black pepper, star anise, black cardamom, cloves, cumin whole, bay leaves, green elaichi, and green chili. When the onion is brown, I will add the chicken. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Two teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Now I add water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once it start boiling, I will add rice. Add some yogurt. And mix well. Close the lid and cook it for 15 minutes. Chicken pulao is ready. Turn off the gas and just set down for 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken pulao is ready. Let's serve. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.